GASGAS Factory Racing Tech3 has launched a team for MotoGP 2023. The nuances of their motorbike livery are dominated by red like Ducati. KTM satellite team, GASGAS Factory Racing Tech3 released the bike livery and rider introductions on Sunday. The main attention to the introduction of the team, which was carried out at the new GASGAS factory in Barcelona, Spain, was immediately focused on the color of their motorbike livery. Pol Espargaro and Augusto Fernandez as the GASGAS Tech3 races appeared with a fiery feel on the RC16 KTM. Instead of being decorated with orange like the KTM Red Bull factory team, GASGAS Tech3 is actually more dominated by bright red. There wasn't even a hint of black on the bikes. The combination is full of red and white for the inscriptions and driver numbers belonging to Pol and Augusto. Such a fiery red livery indirectly reminds us of the characteristics of the Borgo Panigale manufacturer, Ducati. Hervé Poncharal, as the head of the GASGAS Tech3 team, admitted that their motorbike livery was deliberately completely dominated by red. However, all of this cannot be separated from the goal and intention to get a burning red impression like the turmoil of young racers in their pursuit of a championship title. I have been in MotoGP for quite a long time and I have experienced several seasons, and each new season is always a very enjoyable season, said Poncharal.